Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to the next part of this Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 288 kit build. In this part of the series, we are going to do step 9, the leaf springing system. For that, you'll need bag C, the 2 anti-wrap bars for the front, the leaf shackle mounts, the 2 more anti-wrap links, for 2 18.5mm rod ends and 2 21.8mm rod ends, 4 pivot balls, and 4 of these brass pivot balls. Alright, we're going to start by putting together the rear anti-wrap links. For that you'll need 1 long and 1 short rod end for each, and the pivot balls. For these, you want 1 rod end facing horizontal and 1 facing vertical, and you want a gap of 24.2mm. So I'm going to go measure that and I'll be right back. Alright, I've got the gap for this at 24.2mm. I'm going to go ahead and do the other rod now, or link. Alright, I've got both links where I want them. It's time to put the pivot balls on. Alright, with the rear anti-wrap links put together, you'll need these 4 M3x14 bolts. You'll need 2 M3x22 button head screws, 2 M3x12 button head screws, 2 M3x8 button head screws, these 2 tapered spacers, these 4 nylon spacers, and you'll need 8 lock nuts. We'll start front to rear. For these 2 front shackle mounts, you'll need the M3x8. Next we'll work on the shackles. Need 2 of these nylon spacers, 2 of these bolts, and also 2 lock nuts. With these, the smaller holes face inward, so the bigger holes are outside. So I think my battery may have ran low and stopped recording while I finished this, but you could see that the rear anti-wrap bars have that tapered spacer there. This is how that's all bolted up. Here's the rear shackle. Just give you a closer look. Alright, we're ready to move on to the front. Alright, for the front anti-wrap bars, you'll need two M3x12 buttonhead screws right here. You'll need 8 of these O-rings and these 4 brass washers, as well as these 2 front anti-wrap bars. And with the front anti-wrap bars installed, that pretty much completes this section, the screen setup for this chassis. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this boom racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 288 kit build. Thanks for watching.